If you're like me, you sometimes feel like you're just spinning your wheels. You go to work every day, but you don't feel like you're getting anywhere. You've probably tried a lot of things to fix the problem, but nothing has worked so far. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple system, a simple list that will help you get focused and make progress in your career. Welcome to the channel, Leadership with Mike. On this channel, I help you be a more confident leader, and I do this with no nonsense sense, if that makes any sense. Now, let me ask you this. Are you frustrated and overwhelmed by your responsibilities as a manager? Do you feel meetings are like an uphill battle where everyone just disagrees and accomplishments are far and few between? Understand this. You're not alone. You're not the first manager to feel this way. Many people find themselves stuck in a vicious cycle of work-related stress and career stagnation. But here's the thing. It doesn't have to be that way. Let's discuss how you can accomplish some more stuff and stop wasting your life and your career. The first thing is figure out what you want out of your life, out of your career. If you're a manager, it's important to know what you want from your career. This doesn't mean you need to have all the answers figured out, but having a general direction will help you stay focused, stay motivated. I want you to consider your passions, your strengths, and what you find most fulfilling in your work. By identifying your career goals, you can make a plan to achieve them and ensure that you're not wasting your time or your talent. Now, once you know what you want with your life and out of your career, it's time to set some goals and make a plan to achieve them. Whether you're looking to advance in your current position or switch careers entirely, having a plan will keep you on track and help you stay focused. Do not be afraid to set big, ambitious, audacious goals. The more challenging they are, the more rewarding it will be when you achieve them. And here's an idea. If you don't achieve the ultimate, ambitious, super high level goal, you're still going to come closer than where you are now. Setting these goals is one thing, but action. We need to take action to achieve them. And that's a different situation. It's easy to get discouraged when things don't go as planned, but it's important to keep pushing, keep moving forward. Remember, success is a journey and not a destination. And I hate that saying, but it's not wrong. Stay focused, work hard, and do not give up on the dream, on the life you want, on the career you want. Next, understand that networking is an important part of your career development, and it's especially important for managers. By building relationships with other professionals in your field, you can gain insights, you can get advice and opportunities that will help you grow and succeed. Whether you attend industry events, you join professional organizations, or you connect with colleagues on LinkedIn, take advantage of every opportunity you have to build your network. Now, if you want to succeed in your career, it's important to stay informed and up to date on the latest developments in your field. Whether it's reading through industry publications, it's attending training sessions, or taking courses, see link in the description, make learning a priority in your career development. The more you know, the better equipped you will be to handle challenges and to rise and accept opportunities that come your way. Now, with all of this, let's do it. It's very easy to get discouraged, especially when you compare yourself to others. I am victim of this every day as I look at other blowing up YouTube channels, but I'm here grinding because it's important to focus on our own journey and to stay positive. We need to celebrate our own achievements, no matter how small they seem to be. Because remember, everyone's path, everyone's career path is different, and you are on your own journey to success. And success takes time, it takes effort, and it's important to be patient. Do not expect to see immediate results. And don't get discouraged if you don't achieve your goals as quickly as you'd like. Again, I'm talking to myself here because I have goals that I'm not reaching at the speed I've determined, but I'm not sure I get to determine how fast I get to reach them. Because again, the horrible cliche is that success is a journey and not a destination. With that said, it's important to celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem at the time. Take time, reflect on what I have accomplished, and be proud of ourselves for the progress made. Celebrating achievements helps us to stay motivated and to keep focused on our life goals, on our career goals. So don't be afraid to take a moment, pat yourself on the back. Good job, Mike. Thanks. You deserve it. Now, without being all rah, rah, you can do it. You can achieve anything we set our minds to, but it won't be easy. It's going to take hard work. It's going to take dedication. It's going to take perseverance. But I promise you, as I am on the journey as well, the end result is worth it. If you are ready to make a change, grab my free confidence boosting guide that will help you stay on course. But also, let's talk about this video where leading by example might not be the way we want to be leading. Get your coffee. See you there. Ciao.